Hello kids, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel Smart Kids. This is Fayaz. Today we are going to learn about interjections. Interjections are words that show an emotion such as surprise, shock, or happiness. Most interjection words can come either at the beginning or at the end of the sentence. Interjection words are followed by an exclamation mark. For example, hooray, we won the match. Here, hooray being interjection word. There are various interjection words such as alas, bingo, ha, oops. Let us see what are the meanings of these words. Alas is used to express sadness. Bingo is used to express surprise with pleasure. Cheers is used to express thank you or goodbye. Goodness or gosh is used to express an emotion or surprise. Ha ha represents a shout or laughter. Is used as a pause or for uncertainty. Hooray is used to express excitement or happiness. Oh is used to express disappointment. Oops is used to show you are sorry about the mistake. Sure is used to tell someone to be quiet. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like the video, share with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'll be back with another video very soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye. This is Fayaz signing off for today.